Hello there my friends, I've got two kits here to have a look at. So we've got the ICM, American Civil War Confederates, and we've got the Master Box North Carolina Regiment, the do or die set. Now, what I've just noticed is this and this look very similar to this and this. But I don't know, they might be a little bit different. So this fella here, it's one I did for ages ago. The hat's just put on with blue tack. So it looks okay. I thought he looked a bit skinny or something. And he's, I don't know. I didn't like it that much, but I thought it was the least great looking figure in the set. But anyway, that's that. Who knows what it'll look like with a bit of paint on it. But let's have a look inside the box and we'll compare them, I suppose. Have a look. So the ICM one, what I noticed is you get these two of these really awesome sort of weapons sprues, which is very good. I think that's very beneficial, and it'll be helpful for this kit as well. And then you get the normal one there, so let's have a look at that. We'll do it without, so we've got a bit of a whitish background. Okay, so here we've got the officer. You can see the nice detail on his arms. This is the ICM one, of course, with his sword. Beautiful detail on his arms there. He's holding the gun, so we've got to note that one when we compare it. And he's got that head's really good. So the ICM head is actually really good. But I think it might be the same, because Master Box and ICM are both from the Ukraine, and they all hang out with each other. So that's the hat. You see the nice detail on the top and the nice skinny legs, but that goes around the top of the legs there. There's the missing one with the guy that we showed before. So we've got I don't like when they do this split arm thing here. I reckon it always comes up looking dodgy. But that's just he's got a basic torso, because most of it's covered with that. And then we've got another figure here. He's more of a uniformed soldier. He's got the normal hat, and he's loading his musket. We've got the head there. Yeah, pretty decent. But these weapon sprues, both the same, so they're both exactly the same. They're really good. So you see you got a musketed rifle, and you see the detail on that rifle. And then you've got a non-musketed, and see you got that flintlock there. I do believe it's a flintlock. And then you've got that lever action there. A sword that's got it's inside its case. And these are food canisters. See? Drink canteens. They're tobacco pouches with the US on them. And you've got some bayonets. A beautiful leather case, and that's without the gun. And some handguns, revolvers, really well done, aren't they? It's like a bugle or something. A sword, its case. And then we've got some different kinds of rifles, some of the later ones, and then you've got a another bayoneted one, another different type of rifle. You get two of those, so amazing sprue. So that's that one. I'll put that one to the side. Now we'll have a look at this one here. The one by Master Box. We'll get those sprues out. Now what I noticed is, I didn't expect this at all, but it looks like you get a bonus character. So you get the four that you see on the front, and I'm like, what's this one here? A little bonus character. You do get 5 characters in this set, which is good. Now you can see here, that is the exact same character, isn't it? This one as well. Yeah, I reckon they are. Just slight variants. You know, like this one's got that thing, they've taken that off. But let's have a look. So this is the bonus sprue, it's the bonus figure. Wow, you get all these 2 heads. Don't know what that's about. And those horrible Civil War hats. That's his rifle, which looks nice. But the ICM ones look better. That gun's bent. Bastards. But Jesus, isn't that torso, I reckon Master Box are better than ICM. So you look at the feet and everything. I just reckon they do a better job. And figures, but ICM, like Mini Art, do better accessories. So that's the kneeling figure, I do believe. Yeah, this is the exact same figure. Just a slight variance. That's okay. And so this is, yeah, and this is the pretty much the same guy. Yeah. See, you've got the 2 different, yeah, they've just put a different torso in. So, yeah, okay, you've got 2 kneeling characters. So this is the guy, this is that guy there. Yep, and he's got a beard. Yeah, he's got a big beard, so look at that head. Nice, isn't it? Nice and good character, I like that one. That'll be interesting. And here's a double. Here's a double from the ICM. Oh no, you don't get 2 torsos. There's that guy, so it is basically a double. And then you've got the other guy here holding the rifle straight out. I like the heads. They've done a good job. They have done a really good job. I'm actually very impressed. It's better than the ICM. For some reason, I don't know. I like it a lot. We'll see how they come out, built. But there you go. They're the 2, there's, of course, so there's this other one that goes with it. So that's the Union one there. And there's a Confederate one. I mean, not a Confederate, a Union one that's pretty much exactly the same as this. So it's got 4 soldiers. But the Union one's got, it's got an officer and the same. But one of the guys is actually getting shot, so he's falling over. But pretty much the same setup. Alright guys, I'll speak to you again soon.